Begin your journey into Agile leadership. In this session, you'll understand the role of a Scrum Master, explore top certifications like CSM, PSM, and SSM, and learn the steps to start your career in Agile project management. Whether you're new to Agile or aiming to grow professionally, this guide will give you the clarity and direction you need. Agile and Scrum, the basics. Agile is a modern project management philosophy that emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and flexibility over rigid processes. It uses short development cycles called iterations or sprints to deliver working products quickly and adapt to change. Scrum is the most widely adopted Agile framework. It promotes transparency, teamwork, and regular progress through defined roles, events, and deliverables. Scrum helps teams deliver value in small, functional increments rather than waiting for a full release. The Agile movement officially began with the Agile Manifesto in 2001, created by a group of software developers seeking better ways to deliver value. Since then, Agile has expanded beyond tech and into industries like finance, healthcare, and education. Research shows that organizations using Agile practices experience up to 37% faster revenue growth and significantly improved team morale and productivity. What is a Scrum Master? A Scrum Master is a key role in Agile teams, acting as a team facilitator and servant leader. Their primary mission is to help the team achieve its goals by removing obstacles, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that Scrum practices are followed consistently. Unlike traditional managers, Scrum Masters don't command or control. Instead, they coach the team, guide process improvements, and protect the team from external interruptions. They also support the product owner and help maintain a productive and focused environment. The role has gained significant traction in the job market. As of 2023, demand for Scrum Masters increased by 23%, highlighting the growing importance of Agile methodologies across various industries. From tech companies to financial institutions, organizations are increasingly recognizing the value of strong Agile leadership, and Scrum Masters are at the center of that movement. Why get certified? Earning a Scrum Master certification is more than just adding a title, it's about validating your understanding of Agile principles and demonstrating your ability to apply Scrum effectively in real-world projects. Certification serves as formal proof of your skills and commitment to professional development. From a career perspective, being certified can significantly boost your opportunities. Employers often look for certified professionals when hiring for Agile roles, and many report that certified Scrum Masters earn up to 15% more than their non-certified peers. It can also open doors to leadership roles and more dynamic, collaborative environments. In a competitive job market, certification helps you stand out and gain industry credibility. It signals to teams and employers that you have the knowledge, training, and mindset to help Agile projects succeed. Whether you're starting your career or aiming to grow, certification is a smart, strategic investment. Popular Scrum Master certifications. Several globally recognized certifications can help you become a Scrum Master, each with its own focus and requirements. Certified Scrum Master, offered by Scrum Alliance. This certification emphasizes hands-on learning through mandatory training with a certified instructor. It's beginner-friendly and ideal for those looking to build strong foundational knowledge in Scrum. Professional Scrum Master, provided by Scrum.org. The PSM certification is exam-focused and doesn't require formal training, making it more flexible for self-learners. It's valued for its rigorous, knowledge-based assessment. Agile Certified Practitioner, issued by the Project Management Institute. This certification covers a broader range of Agile practices beyond Scrum. It requires previous Agile experience and is ideal for professionals already working in Agile environments. Recognition. CSM and PSM are the most widely recognized Scrum certifications worldwide, are preferred by employers. Choosing the right certification. Selecting the right Scrum Master certification depends on your experience, learning style, and career goals. CSM, Certified Scrum Master, best suited for beginners. It includes mandatory interactive training sessions that provide hands-on learning and real-time guidance. It's a great way to build a solid foundation in Scrum. PSM, Professional Scrum Master, focuses on assessing your knowledge through a challenging exam with no required training courses, making it ideal for self-motivated learners or those with prior Scrum experience. PMI-ACP, Agile Certified Practitioner designed for professionals with broader Agile experience, covering multiple Agile methodologies beyond Scrum. Recommendation: nearly 98% of CSM holders recommend it as the ideal starting point for those launching an Agile career. Career opportunities. Scrum Master certification opens doors to rewarding and in-demand career paths. On average, Scrum Masters earn between $110,000 and $140,000 annually, reflecting the value organizations place on Agile leadership. The demand for Scrum Masters is growing rapidly, with a 23% increase in job openings as Agile adoption spreads beyond software development into industries like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. Key roles for certified professionals include Scrum Master, Agile Coach, and Project Manager. These positions focus on facilitating Agile practices, improving team performance, and driving successful project delivery. Top tech companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are among the industry leaders embracing Agile, offering exciting opportunities for certified Scrum Masters. Next steps and resources. Ready to begin your Scrum Master journey? Start by enrolling in accredited certification courses to prepare for the exam, especially important for CSM, which requires hands-on training. Next, join Agile communities. Online forums, LinkedIn groups, and local meetups offer support, real-world insights, and networking opportunities. Keep learning by reading books, blogs, and articles on Scrum fundamentals and Agile leadership. Recommended reads include Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time. Use trusted resources like scrumalliance.org and scrum.org for official guidance, updates, and study tools. Thank you for joining this session, wishing you success as you take the next steps in your Agile career.